Do you feel hot?
No, I'm half baked.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zania Shai. Today I am here with a product review. So the product I'm going to be reviewing is the teeth whitening kit from Boss Extend. And you guys, oh my god, so my teeth were kind of white already prior to me using it, and I feel like now they are a lot whiter. And I only used it for like 2.5 weeks. So the results I got in 2.5 weeks are amazing, and you guys need to kind of like, you know, go over to bossextend.com and order you one. So in the kit you get this pretty bag. This packaging is pretty. It's amazing. You get 2 syringes with whitening gel. So as you can see, one is open because it's the one I've been using, and then this one has not been used yet. So you get 2 syringes with whitening gel inside. You get an applicator brush. Excuse my nails, I need my nails done. You get an applicator brush. And you also get, in this pretty red packaging here, it came with whitening, like the trays for your mouth that you kind of insert here. Mine tastes like the gel. And then you get the LED light, really pretty blue light. Now, I am a teeth person. I am a teeth person, and I've been like this since I was young. Oral hygiene, dental hygiene has been like a really big thing for me. So when the whole whitening craze came about, I kind of wanted to jump on it then, but I wasn't really not really old enough, but I didn't see the need to because I brush my teeth twice a day anyway. Then the at-home whitening kits came out, and I was like, oh wait, I need to try one. Never tried one. They were all like $200-300. Sis is broke. I wasn't about to pay that much money. So when I seen on Instagram that Boss Extend was coming out with a new product, I was really excited to kind of see what the product was, and then they sent me the product. So it is a teeth whitening kit. This kit that I have here with the 2 gels and the light, the tray, the applicator brush, I believe this one retails for about $54.
We so high, you hating, we rock by, shit on you looking the same, all of my niggas the same.
Or so, as of right now.
Work hard, gotta stay grind, always on move, you'll never find us. We so up, we so high.
And on the website, they do have a code, I believe it's Launch 2019, that gets you 20% off as well as free shipping on the whitening kits, which I think is really, really great. And they work, so it's not like you're spending all this money on this whitening kit that doesn't work and your teeth are still yellow, or you know, whatever stains you have on there are still there. It works. So the instructions are pretty simple. They tell you to brush your teeth prior, then you put the you put the gel on. Well, the way I do it is I put the gel on the applicator brush and I brush it onto my teeth. It tells you to brush it onto your teeth. Take the gel onto the applicator brush and I brush it onto my teeth. I insert the tray, and then I insert the light for 20 minutes. It says don't exceed 30 minutes, I believe. Give or take, depending on how rough my day was, because a lot of the times I whiten at night, like right before I'm about to go to bed. So after I brush my teeth at night, after I cleanse my face, I whiten at night, right before I'm going to bed. So I'm literally sitting in bed scrolling on Instagram, on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, maybe watching TV or something, and I'm whitening. So it's 20 minutes a day, which you can take 20 minutes out of the day. You can honestly wake up in the morning, brush your teeth, and be whitening while you're getting dressed. I did that the first week of me using it, and then the second week I did it at night. However, there were times when I did whiten twice a day, and that was because I've had a lot of, you know, teeth staining things like coffee. I have to wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning every morning to be to work, so I drink coffee. So I'll have coffee, I'll have, you know, like foods that kind of stain your teeth. And so me being the person that I am, I will whiten twice a day. Really simple, really easy. I believe it works. My teeth look so much whiter and so much better, and I have on a nude lipstick. I've never done a nude lip and my teeth look this white, so I am just like, wow, like I'm so pleased. So when I run out, I will be ordering another one, because I just think that it's worth it. It's worth the price. It works, so it's not like, you know, you're paying this money and it doesn't work. It's a great product. It's easy to travel with as well. I went to Virginia over the weekend, well, last weekend, and I took it with me. It's easy to travel with. It's not bulky, so it's not, you know, sticking out of your luggage or making your luggage heavier than what it needs to be. I think it's great. I still use it to this day. It's amazing. I'm actually gonna, I whitened this morning, and it's now 11:48 at night, so I'm going to whiten again before I go to sleep. I think it's great. It's very safe. Like, I thought it would be probably like damaging to my gums or anything. It's not damaging to my gums. However, the first night I used it, I did get a little bit of the gel on my gums. It did turn my gums white, but it literally went away the very next morning. Like, as soon as I woke up and checked the spot, it was gone. So I highly suggest that if, you know, you're looking for an at-home whitening kit, something that can get your teeth Hollywood white, and it's not too affordable, well, it's not too expensive, it's very affordable, easy travel, I definitely say get this. Get this, get this, get this. Get this whitening kit. Like, look at this packaging, it's so pretty. You can't go wrong. So, Boss Extend whitening kit. Try it.
I get the mood started, diamonds fun to see you would think it's a pool party. No boogie, I'm the new artist, my foot on the gas, switching lanes in a new form. I got the mojo, never see me, she wanna pick it like dojo. Run up, that's a no-no, we up in them kidneys, get flashed like a photo. I'm so up, I'm so high, niggas hating, I ride by.